Enter the thrilling world of heavy machinery, where steel monsters defy gravity, tame wild terrain, and turn chaos into control. From collapsing roads to cliffside climbs, these machines showcase raw power and precision. This isn't just work, it's survival, engineered to the extreme. Meet the Laterno L1850, the world's biggest wool loader. With a jaw-dropping payload and monstrous tires, it dominates mining sites with ease. Every scoop moves mountains, and its sheer size turns heads everywhere it roars. Watch the legendary Caterpillar D9G come to life with a rare donkey start, a small engine igniting the beast within. As it roars awake, it slowly rolls off the low loader, its sheer weight shaking the ground. A classic display of raw mechanical power. In the Swiss Alps, the Menzimuck M545 tackles an extreme slope with fearless precision, digging out a reservoir where most machines would fail. Its spider-like limbs grip the unforgiving terrain, turning a death-defying task into a ballet of hydraulic mastery. BRO crews battle thick Himalayan snow to reopen the Gurez-Bandipora road. Giant machines slice through icy walls, bringing life back to isolated valleys. It's not just snow clearing, it's a lifeline being carved through the mountains. A powerful hook loader is called in to rescue a sunken tractor stuck deep in the mud. With chains tightened and hydraulics roaring, it pulls with brute strength, turning a hopeless scene into a triumphant recovery mission. The LaRue 7060 snow blower and Komatsu D65 dozer lead the season's first snow clearing mission. Blades cut through deep drifts while the blower hurls snow high into the air. It's the first battle against winter, raw, cold, and mechanical precision in motion. In the heart of Australia's mining fields, the Hitachi EX8000-6 roars to life, one of the largest hydraulic excavators on Earth. With its massive arms and 800-ton frame, it devours rock and earth like a mechanical beast built to tame the land. A routine crane transport turns into chaos as the lowboy trailer tips on a tight turn. The massive crane shifts, metal groans, and disaster strikes in seconds. It's a chilling reminder of how precision and weight balance mean everything in heavy equipment hauling. The Spider excavator dances over rough terrain with unmatched agility. Its extendable legs grip slopes and rocks, turning extreme conditions into a playground for precision digging. Company Hutney Montes assembles the massive RK5000 bucket chain excavator with industrial precision. Bolts tighten, gears align, and hydraulic arms rise. Engineering expertise brings this colossal machine to life on site. A tank attempts to load onto a trailer, but one wrong move sends it crashing through the platform. Metal crunches, wheels lift, and disaster unfolds in seconds. Heavyweight mistakes leave deep scars. The Caterpillar 980G will loader powers through tough terrain with ease. Its giant bucket scoops massive loads effortlessly, while the engine roars with authority. A true workhorse built for mining, construction, and any job demanding strength and precision. The massive Ural truck roars through treacherous mountain paths, navigating deadly cliffs and narrow turns. A true steel beast built to conquer the harshest terrain and survive where others fear to tread. The yellow K700 roars as it pulls a timber-loaded trailer stuck deep in the mud. Tires churn wildly, raw Soviet power at work in the harsh, snowy forest terrain. The road to Viantoy cuts through the unforgiving north, where ice, mud, and treacherous terrain challenge every mile. Trucks groan uphill, tires sink in frozen ground. It's more than a road, it's a daily fight for survival, testing both machine and man in nature's harshest arena. The excavator unloads itself from the truck with stunning precision, using only its bucket as leverage. A graceful, almost acrobatic maneuver that turns a routine task into a display of operator skill and mechanical balance. Unloading the SP-67 pile-driving rig is a careful, calculated operation. With its massive weight and complex structure, every move must be precise. Cranes and crews work in unison to safely lower the giant machine, an intense display of heavy equipment coordination and engineering expertise. The MB track tackles a slick mountain road while managing a cable crane transport. Tires struggle for grip, but the operator's expert handling turns a high-risk task into a controlled, impressive climb, showcasing courage, precision, and machine endurance in extreme terrain. The T-170 bulldozer roars to life in -20°C cold, battling frost and frozen steel. Watching the engine slowly awaken is a powerful display of resilience, both of machine and operator, against the brutal grip of winter in the Russian wilderness. The massive K700 fires up with a thunderous roar, each crank unleashing its raw mechanical force. As it moves into the field, the beast plows through soil and grass with unmatched torque, a living symbol of Soviet engineering built for power, endurance, and the harsh demands of agriculture. A tank versus a K700 tractor in a tug-of-war at Dargun 2019, an epic clash of steel titans. Engines roar, the rope stretches to its limit, and brute force meets unyielding will. A rare showdown where raw mechanical power battles for dominance in front of a stunned crowd.
kunnen lozen daar. Jan Marien. Marien, ruhig. Hans abgewürgt wird.
The INT tractor hauls an overloaded timber trailer along a steep, slanted road. Tires slip, the trailer leans dangerously, yet the driver holds firm. A tense display of skill, balance, and raw determination in the face of risky off-road conditions. The Zaxxas 225 USR excavator with a hydraulic crusher struggles against a massive concrete block. Every bite tests the limits of power and precision, as chunks break loose under relentless pressure. This isn't just demolition, it's a gritty battle between machine force and the stubborn strength of reinforced concrete. High on snowy Mount Titleys, a forwarder fitted with a concrete mixer takes on a unique construction mission. Navigating steep and slippery terrain, it mixes and transports concrete simultaneously, a brilliant fusion of forestry machinery and construction engineering in one of Switzerland's most challenging and breathtaking work sites. At Romerhofplatz, excavators with hydraulic clamps tear up aging railway tracks. Steel rails are lifted and snapped apart, echoing through the city streets. It's a striking moment where old infrastructure gives way to progress, raw, loud, and full of industrial precision. The truck pulls a wheelie with explosive force, front wheels lifting off as raw engine power takes over. A jaw-dropping display of torque and might, proof that trucks can defy gravity too. A massive logging truck battles a muddy, steep mountain road. Tires spin, logs sway, and mud flies. Every inch forward is a fight for traction, balance, and survival in wild terrain. An International 9300 hauls a massive bulldozer across Jamaica's narrow flat bridge. Every inch forward is nerve-wracking. One wrong move could send the whole rig plunging into the river below. The Volvo BV202 climbs a steep concrete bunker with ease. Its dual-tracked units grip tight, powering upward like a steel beast, an impressive show of off-road agility and engineering mastery.